Okay. Well, I filled this up with 100 milliliters of water. Yeah. And so now it bounces equally. So I can tip it on its side. Just gotta find the right spot. There we go. See that? Yeah. Yeah. It's awesome. Just fill it with 100 milliliters of water, or pop, if you can measure it. But yeah, there's nothing holding it up. See, I can do it now. See? Nothing in there. And then I just bloop. Oh yeah. Perfect. 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 So yeah, you just put 100 milliliters of water in there, and then you can just it's awesome. Okay, well, look at my other videos. So thanks.